You don't need this anymore. I found the solution. Let's go. So much has been made about the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Bluetooth S Pen, or lack of Bluetooth S Pen support. And it seems like it's a problem that just refuses to go away. Videos coming out saying that there's still the wireless charging coil in there, or is it NFC? No one seems to really know, but what we know right now is there is no Bluetooth support for S Pens. Can't use old ones. This new one doesn't support or have a battery, and there's no S Pens on the market that will come out to support it, at least for now. So what's the solution? Well, I've come up with a few. My first one that I think is probably the one that most of you could gravitate towards is this: a little Bluetooth remote camera shutter. There is, however, some other stuff built into the software that will take advantage of wireless or hands-free photo capabilities. We'll get to that. I want to start with this. This is a Bluetooth remote shutter. Look at the size of it. This can fit pretty much anywhere. And the best part is I bought it off Amazon. I'll chuck a link in the description. Comes in an Amazon box, as you'd expect, and then inside that is the little packaging that this comes in. It has instructions. It does say that it should just connect via Bluetooth, and you've got two buttons here, iOS or Android. And then once it's paired via Bluetooth, it's just a simple matter of testing it in the camera. It basically thinks this is a keyboard. That's effectively what it pairs as, but it's programmed to work right over the shutter button when the camera is open. And that's it. You literally launch the camera, press this button, and it will start taking pictures. Simple. The thing is, it also will work in Expert RAW. So this whole thing, if everyone has used it as a remote shutter for their camera, this could be a very, very easy replacement, and it's not costly. This cost me 10 Australian dollars. That's it. So if you truly use that feature and you were prepared to buy a Bluetooth S Pen when everyone thought there was one coming out, this could be the solution. What's great, I guess, about this too, is it has a little sort of wrist support for it, but it's also the fact that it's just really small. So this can fit easily into like the coin pocket of your jeans. It can fit easily into like small little bags and tight spaces in bags, or you can even connect it to your keyring of your car keys. So it's always with you, ready whenever you need to use it. And then it works. It works to take photos. It works to take videos. There you go. Videos are starting to record. It works in Expert RAW if you need to do it for some long exposure, which means it then will also work in things like night mode if you need to hold it and have it take a long exposure photo. It works in the camera. And this could be a really good solution for you if you miss the other ways from the Bluetooth S Pen that existed. It's annoying, obviously, that it's not going to fit in, but it's compact and small enough that you can put it into other spaces. But this isn't the only way. So if you don't want to spend any extra money, you might not want this solution. The other solution involves stuff and software on the phone. For example, inbuilt into the camera, into the settings of the camera, is some other ways to control and take photos. For example, you can use your voice. You can say things like smile, capture, cheese. Capture, smile, cheese. And then it will activate the camera and snap a photo. And there's even one for shoot if you want to make it activate video recording. Record video. There's also for selfies, which doesn't usually work as well for the rear camera. Well, it doesn't work for the rear camera. There's palm selfie, where you can just hold up your palm and it'll activate a timer and take the selfie for you. If they can implement a way to put this on the rear camera, I think that could effectively solve the problem as well. There's other avenues outside of those. You can hook up a USB-C set of earphones and snap using the buttons on those. That works. But then there's the wearables. So if you already have a Samsung wearable, this will work for you. You can use the watch. The Galaxy Watch series has camera control inbuilt into it. There's an app. But not only do you get to control and take photos, you get to see the preview on the screen. So this is a much more enhanced way because you can frame your shot up from a distance. And then there's the ring, where it's got gestures set up in the Galaxy Ring where you pinch and it'll activate the camera as well. I don't think either of those solutions are enough to solve people's problems that they have with the S Pen gone missing. One, this is a very expensive wearable, as is the Galaxy Ring. And two, there's still obviously the missing gestures that you don't get to maybe move between the camera modes, for example. This as a solution could be a really nice middle ground for now. Again, it's not perfect. I still think the S Pen should have the Bluetooth functions built into it. It's really disappointing that we've had to find these other measures, but at least there's some options. And this one at like 10 Australian dollars is very inexpensive and could be the way forward, at least for now. There's a link in the description for it if you want to grab one or check it out at least. Hit subscribe. It's a very, very quick video this week. I didn't want to spend too much time on something. Also, my voice is gone, so there's that. I've got more content to come, and I'll see you guys in the next one.